Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. So today's Sunday and the last day of the week, and we have crossed above 61.76 as I told you before. And I told you, if you're going to really cross above 61.76, that means that you're invalidating the head and shoulder, and it's not actually time for you to drop to the technical target. Now this has happened before with Solana. Solana isn't really a stranger to break through head and shoulders. I've actually been through this with you before, that yes, even in the past we've actually seen that Solana has been able to really cross above the head and shoulders. So basically, if that's the case and that's the scenario, we may be looking at Solana to basically come up to $69.5. So basically you're having this one whole huge pattern right there, almost like a W in, and then it actually takes you up to 69, and no surprise, we may actually finally just see even an $88 per Solana. Now it is what it is, and we took the trade actually because, as I spoke before, whenever you break above a resistance, then flip the other way around. So yesterday when this was happening right here, I was actually to place a little bit of a trade here down at 61.6 because I was like, yeah, okay, head and shoulders actually destroyed the right because the right shoulder is already taken out. So basically this pattern is cancelled, it's over. So that pattern isn't there anymore. So what I'm going to do is just remove all the candles, come back again. So you have all this thing going up like this, you have that resistance like that, you broke above that right shoulder, and now this whole technical target, if you take that bottom to this top here, that actually takes you to $69. And from that time, I do believe that I may be looking to cash out at nearly like 12% move up, right? So 12% is pretty good for just a normal day trade out there. So that's it for this very quick update on Solana right now. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.